Raphael.
So we just saw the greatest fish ever.
Raphael. Yes, he's gonna do something stupid. Okay, let's do it.
Ow! It hurts!
Trust me, it hurts. Let me try.
Oh, come on.
Oh!
It hurts. And you can also do this. Hold it.
Oh, Thomas.
Now you try it.
This is evolutionary.
Wait, I tried something stupid. Ow!
Ah, no! Oh, yeah.
It hurts a lot, guys.
Okay. So that's all for today. Please press the button up here. So, okay. Bye.